Hello there, honest people! Today we have here a very cheap laptop stand that you can easily find and check out in Shopee. Basically, this stand is very portable, lightweight, and yet sturdy, and it has multiple holes right here so you can choose what angle you want your laptop to be raised. This is compatible with 7 to 15-inch laptops for up to 5 kilos. And when you're done working, it's also very easy to pack up. Just fold it twice and you're good to go. For its price of 99 pesos for its plastic version or 199 for its alloy, this is definitely worth the money. Thank you guys for watching. This is Angel of Random Honest Reviews. Remember that I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions. In the end, it's always going to be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.